In the wonderful, blocky world of Minecraft, there was a trio of adventurers: Alex, Steve, and the trusty wolf Max. They had explored forests, climbed mountains, and built towering castles. But today, they had a new goal: to find the legendary lost diamond hidden deep in a mysterious cave. Before they set off, Alex went to her crafting table and made sure she had everything she needed: her sharp diamond pickaxe, some torches to the light the way, and a few healing potions in case things went wrong. Steve, always prepared, packed some bread and cooked pork chops for the journey ahead. Max, the brave wolf, wagged his tail and seemed ready for action. As they walked through the dense green forest, they marveled at the peaceful world around them. The trees swayed in the breeze and the birds sang sweet songs. But soon Max's ears perked up. "What is it, Max?" Steve asked. With a loud bark, Max darted off towards a hidden cave entrance, partly covered in vines. Could this be the place where the diamond was hidden? With torches in hand, the friends ventured into the cave. The dark walls shimmered with the glow of ores, but they knew they had to be careful. This cave was full of surprises. Steve led the way, shining his torch into every corner. Suddenly, Alex spotted something: two glowing eyes in the distance. A zombie was lurking. "Stay back!" Alex shouted as she quickly pulled out her sword and defeated it with a swift strike. As they ventured deeper, a hissing sound filled the air. "Ah, oh!" Steve gasped. Out of nowhere, a creeper appeared, ready to explode. But just before it could, Max bravely rushed in and scared it away with a bark so loud it echoed through the cave. "Good boy, Max," Alex said, patting him on the head. Finally, after what seemed like hours of navigating tricky tunnels and battling mobs, they reached the heart of the cave. There, sitting on a glowing pedestal, was a massive diamond block, sparkling like a star. "We did it!" Alex cheered, her voice echoing with excitement. With the diamond carefully placed in Alex's backpack, they made their way back to the surface. The cave, once dark and airy, now felt peaceful as they retraced their steps. Hope you liked the story. Comment which cartoon you want to see in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.